Now first draw the top view of which the base edges are equally inclined. So for the given square prism, draw this square. So draw this line of a 40 millimeter length. This is a 40 millimeter length. Give its dimension. The base side is a 40 millimeter. Label it as A, corner B, corner C, and corner D. Then draw the vertical projections at the height of 60 millimeter. Now initially draw this front view of a square prism very faint. Now as per the problem conditions, we have to set the cutting plane in the front view, in which true shape appears as a isosceles triangle of a maximum base and 50 mm altitude. So while section plane cuts, it should cut at the 3 edges. So the 2 edges will be here, and this gives us a maximum base length if the cutting plane passes through point D and point B. So the one of the point for cutting plane is here, which will indicate the base length. And now to satisfy another condition, that is altitude length is a 50 millimeter. So take this distance in compass of 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter distance in compass. Now take this point and cut this edge A or edge C. It will cut it edge A. Now through this draw the section plane. So the section plane will as like this one. Now we have to draw this portion. It should be the dark, because after cutting by section plane, the upper portion we have to remove, and just remaining portion we have to observe for the true shape as well as a sectional top view. Give its length for height. Height is a 60 millimeter. The cutting plane is located in this way. Now observe where this cutting plane cuts the pyramid, square prism. This is a B dash and D dash, and this is a C dash. Now the section plane cuts this edge at this point. So this is a point A, this is a point B and D. Just only we will get the 3 points because this is our required condition. Now to draw the sectional top view, just join these points, because the B and D will be here and A is here. Draw it neatly and draw the section line, hatching line at a 45-degree angle. And just complete the sectional top view. Now to draw the true shape of the given section, So draw the projections through these points where the section plane cuts. There it is. Now if you observe, a sectional top view is symmetrical about this diagonal AC. This diagonal AC is parallel to this XY. So draw here line which is parallel to a section plane. Label this as a X1, Y1. Now just we have to shift all these points here. Now if you observe, this point A will lie on this AC, and we are considering the diagonal AC. So the point A will lie here, the point A. Now to locate the point D, which will lie along this projection line, take this distance in compass, that is from measure this diagonal AC, as this distance and this distance is the same from this line. So simply mark it here. It will cut here. So this is a point D and this is a point B. Now join these 3 points to indicate the true shape of a section. Join it by means of straight lines, and this length is of a this length is of 50 millimeter, because this will indicate the altitude. Now draw the hatching lines. Thus the true shape is completed. Label this as a true shape. Thus in this way our drawing is completed. Observe the darkness and thickness of different lines which we have drawn here. This is outline, these are the projection lines. The projection line should be the very thin as compared with the visible outlines. Give the proper dimensions, follow this method. This is a vertical dimension. Place the dimension to the always left side and middle of this dimension line. Place the dimension above this dimension line and place it at a middle position. The height of this letter should be the uniform. Whatever the labels we are using should be of a uniform and of a same height.